So hello everyone. I will go to the fourth episode of the series House of Whispers. So today I'm going to um like last episode I did like a basic interactable system. So today my plan is basically maybe create learn more about some environment stuff and finish the day probably grabbing some stuff from the floor. So let's start with this. First thing, I will clean up this scenario. Um, yeah, I will leave some stuff here just to block two, block three, one. Yeah, yeah. Okay. This as well, this as well. Uh, so the first thing I will do, it's basically try to create like a room that can access using a door. So let's try it. First of all, I need like two of these. So make it smaller. Okay, and another one that will be smaller. And I have like this middle stuff. Let me just check if this angle is okay. Yeah, it's okay. Probably need to be uh, shorter. So yeah, and now I need to have like a door in between, but like not uh, not for now. Uh, One thing I would like to understand better if is basically if the yeah, it's basically if the I can instead of create this basic interactable blueprint, if I can just trigger the event like in the yeah in the childs of this blueprint, that probably will be better than the solution here. So yeah, let's try it. So here I have the box, here I have the new box, which is basically a child, and I would like to, I probably can do something like this, trigger, create an event, and event dispatcher, maybe, dispatcher. Let's just check what this does. Copy signature from. No, that's not what I want. Um, Select a function. So on interacting, okay, this way. Yeah, I think that's it. So let me check in the child if I can have this on interactive call function. No, I don't would like to call the function on interactive event. Looks like it probably works. So for the new box, I will print some stuff like print string new box. For the older one, I will just print base box. So that's it. Let me see if I have both in scene. So yeah, I have both. Let me just so this one new box, okay, and this one baseball. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted. What I wanted. Um, so this basically prevent me from have to register stuff or keep binding stuff. Um, yeah, for the base I won't do anything. Uh, I was thinking earlier about having like two events for interactions, but for now I won't do anything related to this. So this base will not have any, yeah, any handler. Just basically this interactable box, and I will change the name as well to uh, base interactable item. Uh, so the new one will be my PP interactable my door. And once I interact with the door, I would like to, yeah, I for now I will just disappear the door because I don't know a lot about animation, so I'll not go too far on this. But first of all, I need to basically add static mesh. Um, I will add like a cube door mesh static mesh. Okay, and I will like makes it looks like more like a door. Let me check if okay, it's in the opposite direction and need to be higher. Yeah. So first thing this and second that. Let me see. Let me see. So okay, I will change the U. I used my other screen so I can basically see the changes why I'm doing this. Um, so a little, I think just one. Yeah, okay. So now I have my door and I can basically, when I interact with this, I will set a visibility Yeah, propagate to giant, empty, and now create like a timer or a wait. Okay, so a task await delay. So 30 second, probably this is in second. Let me just check. Okay, I will put 3,000 because usually this is basically in milliseconds. And then I will set the visibility um, again, internal connection. So yeah, I, um, okay, I cannot use in task delay. Delay. Oh, there is a delay function. Completed duration specifying seconds. So okay, 30 seconds. And let me check if that's worked. So I come close to the door, I press space. The okay, the visibility the object disappear, but I cannot pass because the collision still on. Okay. Uh, and another thing I need to do, I just thought right now is basically create like a variable like is um, is doing action. So it's basically to track if um, the door is doing his stuff. So I don't need to uh, yeah. So if the door is already running or already open, I don't want to keep increasing and recalling this interactive function. I would like to this to finish it and then I can call it again. So first I need to branch it to so and in the false if uh, so if it's not doing action, I can go there and do my stuff. One thing I did not understood is why the collision didn't disappear, but I think I probably changed the wrong okay, the wrong attribute. I shouldn't just disable the collision as well. Uh, yeah, maybe I need to change the layer. Door mesh. Let me see. Not possible that it don't have like a disable collision, right? Uh, it's super frustrated if yeah, disable collision in Real Engine 5. Let me see if the set collision is enable exists. So set collision enabled. Yeah, it says it exists. I don't like to I don't like to reuse the variables. I like to duplicate it. So no collision, and I think here I need to enable it again. I don't actually know which option use, but I can use like collision enabled. I don't think I need to do more than this. So come here. Okay, I I got like I don't know why it's you interact with over. Oh, I see. That's happened because once I interacted, I disappear with my item. So yeah, this maybe fix it. Oh, I didn't save anything. Oh no, why real? But that's okay. That's okay. Um, I probably just need to redo one thing or another. Um, no, my God, nothing I did is actually uh, save it. So I'll just start again, deleting the meshes. No, and I don't know, this one will go away. Okay, okay, and I will basically create my base. I beg you, doing best. Yeah, so so I have again the same stuff I had before. I probably need to make it lower to match with my door, which is actually accurate. So okay, okay, and both I will bring down. Now I save it, and I can come here, interact, pass through the door, and we come back in 3 seconds. That's great. That's great, actually. Um, I think I can do the try to create an open animation. I just don't know anything. No, I will want to try this. I will just continue with try to grab box from the floor. So I will planning to I'm planning to do like a 30 minutes live. Uh, I forgot to update the name. So three. Create the pickup system UE5. Okay, so let me just check if the live updated the name. Yep. Okay, now it's okay. Um, and the first thing I need a box. So shapes a cube, and this cube need to have physics. So like physics, and let me check. Yeah, that's great. And should be smaller for me to, you know, hand this. So now in my character, I think okay, third person blueprint, third person character. So in my character, I think I can basically create like a point in front of my character. So let me see. So I can create like I will use codes to create um, this point. So let me find my character, and I will create like it's pretty similar with this, but is anywhere, but it's a U static mesh component. So let me call this like pickup item point. Okay, pickup item point. So okay, now I need to just create the false sub option who static match component pickup item point, and yeah, okay, and set the attach to set up the attachment to root component. Yeah, I think that's it. So now it already should appear in my character. Uh, so one another thing I will do is create a public function that I can call to basically grab stuff. So function print callable. So I have this void pickup item, right? Pickup item, pickup item. Okay, a actor target, and okay, so now I have the function that I basically trying to pick up a item. So once so if the player I need like to variable to like who property to know if I already have like an actor pick uh, holding item. So holding item for different than new, I can target equal to holding item. Else I'll target uh, equal to no. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So if I don't, if I'm not holding anything, then I set the holding item as the target. If I am holding something, then um, I drop it. Okay, for now I'll not drop and okay, for now I'll ignore it and just set the target as I'm not dropping stuff in the pickup method. So in the tick function, I will check if the target, if the holding item is different than null, and if so, I will basically get the holding item and set the transform actor transform to be the same as my hand pickup point get transform component transform relative transform. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, I think that's pretty straightforward. So let's just set up here my point. So I have my pickup point, which is in the middle of my body, and I will basically set up setting here. And now I need to recompile the engine. Let me just check if my pickup item, okay, it's okay. And now I will do basically, okay, I made a mistake here. Like I shouldn't create this one. I will basically create like a copy of the door and a simple box. And inside the box, I will remove all the stuff that the door does and also change the change the oh, it's locked. So change the sizes to become a box again. Hello. Okay, so to become a box again, and yeah, that's it. I need to check the size of this, but yeah, I need to make smaller. But I will just do directly in the scene. Yeah, let me delete this other one. And another thing that I need to do is about the physics, simulate the physics. And now what I will do is basically cast to the house character. And if the cast goes well, I will pick up item. Um, So oh, I call it target two times, but okay. Reference to self. Um, and I need also before pick up the item, I need also to disable the physics from my simulate simulate physics. So I need to disable the physics to prevent the object to keeping glitching in my hand. So I need to disable the physics and then pick up the item. So let's check if it's working. I'm close to here. Press space and nothing's happened. Why? Let me just check in the yeah. The interaction is happening, but the item is not moving. Let's see if yeah. Yeah, I'm getting the reference to the item. I had the reference to my pickup, but the objects simply don't move. Let me see. Okay, let me see one thing. First, if I find the box, the simple box, let me see if simulating physics. So static mesh and yeah, I know what's probably happening. So okay, two things I think. First is I get the self as target, and I set like to stop simulate physics for yeah, I cannot pass like the static component. Okay, so it need to be actually the self, and the simulate physics is yeah, like it's working. Is this the full value? But okay. So if I come here and check like the simple box, I'll be able to find the physics, and basically I can check if I got closer and press the space. Okay, it's interacting with the item, but it's not setting correctly. Uh, I don't know the position in my hand. So if I keep moving, nothing's happening. Let me check the item above. Yeah, the parent looks like it's working. So I need to check why the child is not working. So I'll open the simple box and um, let me see. I have this. I have this, which is a child, and movable, movable parent socket. What this does? Maybe something related to other configuration. Uh, Rendering down. Okay. don't know exactly. Um, because the reference has been passing to uh, this, and it's actually get components maybe by class. Let's see. Component. No, it's not this. Mesh. Get mesh. What doesn't make sense to me is basically why why can move the parent but not uh, like the child. No. So basically, yeah, I'll try to get the component by class. So, static mesh component. No, no. This will be class of. Oh, okay. So, static. So static class component. So transform get vector component. So I need just to cast this static cast static mesh component. Uh, and then set transform. That word transform to pick up point, item point. Okay, let's see. This makes a lot of sense to me, but I don't actually like. I need to, you know, instead of the actor, maybe holding the reference to the static mesh. Not my simple box, right? It's just a cube in my simple box. One, and let's see. Oh my god, it's pushing me up. Uh, make it faster. Okay, now it's very, very small. Uh, okay, let me see if I can. Why it's so big? I don't know why it's so big. Uh, oh, I know. It's because I'm not actually okay. So, I'm setting set location, word location, and get location. So now it's stop to group the item because I'm setting only the location. So yeah, I think that's a good start point. I think the location and the rotation is basically what I need to set. Don't know about. Okay, don't think it's rotating with me. Yeah, it's not rotating with me, so I need to set the word rotation and get component rotation as well, and see if it's now working. And I think that will be the last thing I will do for now. And next time I will probably learn more about animations to integrate with. Oh, I need to do the. I'll do the release as well. It's pretty simple, so it's not file. Yeah, up this a little bit. And, oh, I think I grew up way more than I need. But now the rotation looks correct. Just the size. It's pushing me away. Okay, so now I have my pickup system. I'll leave some copies of this. And if I press to interact again in the simple box, I will just release the item. So if holding target for different uh, okay, so let me think. First, I will create like a uh, release item with nothing. Uh, and then we'll probably interact. Uh, if holding item, then you need to it will be different than null, so you need to release item uh, before you interact with a new stuff. So is the item will be basically holding. Oh no. Yeah, that's it. Now I have my fully integrated system with holding an item and carrying through the scene. There's some stuff I need to learn how to do, like kinematic is holding, so I can integrate with the animation. Let me see. Okay, I can hold it. I can drop it. Oh, I forgot to. Okay, will not be so simple. I think I need to call it interact again for the item I just holding. Um, so if I hold the item, I will basically just call interacting again for this item. Yeah, and now I can do the work actually in the item I'm carrying. So because maybe if you imagine like I would like to pick up, but I don't actually just release. I throw away. So I can also configure it in my item. So directed. Um, I will set like is doing action here. Uh, and if I press again, print get if it's it's doing action for it will be is true, then I need to actually if it's false, it's true. I need basically the same thing, but I will enable the physics, with physics, and instead of pickup, I will release item, release, release. Let me check if I did it right. Release item should be correctly. Oh, I didn't get the right target. Release item in holding. Hold it. So let's see. Yeah, I can get the item. I can release it. I can get close to another item and get it as well. And yeah, I can get close to the door and I need to release the item before I open the door. So yeah, that makes a lot of sense, and I think that's it. So I'll basically finish everything. And okay, so add a change, add a simple pickup item mechanic to the game. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you a lot for viewing it. If you're seeing this in the YouTube, please subscribe. And that's it. Thank you.